So this is test 6 section 8 question 14. Supposed to be a difficult question. Let's see. The question here talks about two equations, one which talks about x being between a 0 and a 8, and the second which talks about y, which tells us that y has to be more than equal to -1 and less than equal to 3, and the question wants us to find out what are the possible values for x into y. Answer choice A says x into y would be equal to 4. Answer choice B is x into y should always be more than equal to 0 and should be less than equal to 24. Answer choice C, which says x into y should be less than equal to -1, should be less than equal to 11. Answer choice D says x into y should be more than equal to a -1 and less than equal to a 24. And answer choice E, x into y should be more than equal to a -8, less than equal to 24. This is a very regular question on the SAT, where they give you two equations like these and they ask you for x into y or x plus y or x minus y, and there's all can be done in the same way. What you need to do is make up all the combinations possible according to these values. For example, here we can have x equals 0 and y equals -1, so it tells me x into y has to be a 0. But at the same time we can have x equals 0 and y equals 3, so even this tells us that x into y should be 0. Now we use the extreme values for x and the minimum possible values of y. So we can have x equals 8, y equals -1, so x into y becomes a -8. And if we can also have x equals 8 and y equals 3, so x into y becomes a 24. Out of these values, pick up the maximum and the minimum possible. As we can see, the maximum possible is a 24, so we can eliminate answer choice A, we can eliminate answer choice C, and the other three holds true. The minimum possible value is a -8. So if the minimum is -8 and the maximum is 24, so let's see which of these holds true. Right, answer choice E works, so that's the answer. So this is a way in which you can solve all the questions based on this, because the concept remains the same. We have here x into y, we can be asked to solve x plus y, x minus y, or even a y minus x. We just have to make these four answer choices, pick up the minimum and the maximum, and you would get the answer